She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this coffee body scrub. Now while making this scrub, I had only two things in mind. Number one, I wanted this to have a long shelf life. And number two, I wanted this to be solution for all my body care needs. So this scrub is going to help us reduce stretch marks, cellulite, ingrown hair, help lighten darker knees and elbows, and it's going to moisturize our body as well. So if you're interested in how I made this, definitely continue watching.
Bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything, other girls ain't ever.
Now the first thing we need for this DIY coffee scrub is obviously a cup of ground coffee. Now instant coffee will not work in this recipe, so please try and stick with ground coffee. I had some coffee beans which I just grinded in my NutriBullet, so this is what I got. Now coffee is proven to reduce cellulite by 17% with over just a span of few weeks. So when you use this scrub, make sure you really massage it in and let it sit for a minute at least before you wash it out. So now I'm just pouring that 1 cup of ground coffee in just a glass bowl, and the second thing I'm taking is a half a cup of sugar. Now sugar will again help to soften the skin. It will gently exfoliate the skin. It's not too harsh, and if you'd like, you can actually substitute sugar with sea salt, but I personally stuck with sugar. Now this ingredient is really good. Okay, now this is just 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now I don't know about you, but personally my sweat does not smell like perfume, so something like this will help to deodorize. So I'm just using a tablespoon of baking soda. This will also help to lighten the knees and elbows really well. So this again is also a good exfoliant. It's kind of multi-purpose, you would say. So I'm just adding that in the bowl.
You left your mark on me. I want your hot love and emotion.
Next on the list is roughly 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants. It will help us to lighten our stretch marks. It will obviously help with the exfoliation. It'll bring blood flow to the surface of the skin.
Endlessly, 'cause you're a good girl and you know it. You act so different around me. Yeah, you're a good girl and you know it.
And the last ingredient on the list is grapeseed oil. Try and get the one which says hexane free. It's just a way they filter the oil, so this one is more pure, I would say. So that, and I will try and link this in the description box down below. Now grapeseed oil is rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, both of which will help us to lighten the scarring, and it will penetrate deep inside our skin. Grapeseed oil is non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores. This is especially good for those who have oily skin. I mean, you can substitute this with coconut oil too, but I personally prefer this one because, like I said, this is non-comedogenic and it absorbs really fast. So especially during those summer days when you don't feel like adding a moisturizer on, if you just use this scrub, you're good with the moisturizing part also. Now I'm just transferring this into a glass jar. I would recommend that you use a glass jar and not a plastic one. Just get yourself a good recycled glass jar, and it would help if it's airtight. Now the shelf life of this scrub would be 3 months, I would say easily, because it's just basically dry ingredients and some oil, none of which will go bad. But just to be on the safe side, try and finish it within 3 months, and you can keep this in your shower, use it whenever you like, and like I said, try and keep this on your body for at least a minute before you wash it off. Here I'm just giving you a demonstration of what the scrub feels like on the skin. Once it's actually on the skin, it does actually adhere really well because of the grapeseed oil we put in. So take your time, massage your skin really well, let it sit for some time, and then rinse everything off. Now if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate if you are able to share this video with a bunch of your friends, and if you're not subscribed already, I would love for you to be a subscriber. Take care, guys.